Good morning, fifth grade. I hope you had an awesome weekend. I'm so excited to jump back into class with you. We are on week number 4, if you can believe that. We have been doing this for 4 weeks. I'm going to walk through today really quickly. It's going to be a pretty light day, hopefully, for you. We are not reading any more out of Woods Runner today. We are going to talk about cause and effect, and you're going to do a little activity. That's right here under your reading section. If you need a little help with cause and effect, a little refresher, I'll be at 9 and 1 today. We'll do some practice with that text structure, cause and effect. Remember your foldable, that's cause and effect. Don't forget to keep working on your writing. This has been on your assignments every day for a while. If you just do a little bit each day, hopefully you'll have it done and ready to go by Wednesday. Remember, it can be anything. It can be a simple slides presentation walking me through the steps. It could be a poster if you want to do it paper pencil and just take a picture of it. You could do a picto chart online. If you want to attempt a video, you're welcome to. But that is probably a little bit trickier. So do whatever you feel comfortable doing. It does not have to be anything big and crazy. Don't forget about your journal for this week. Your new prompt will be here on this page, so click on it and find it. Also see the little note that I left you. And then here's a quick grammar video for our new skill today. We're going to talk about quotation marks when we use dialogue in the text. So when someone is speaking, how we punctuate that. We talked about that in class, but this will just be a good little review for us today. So if you hop on at 9 or 1, we'll be talking about cause and effect. And then after that, I'll answer some questions about our how-to presentation and our how-to papers. So I have 2 more things for you. First is a joke, and second is a little surprise. So here's your joke. What kind of tree can you fit in your hand? Show up at 9 or 1 today for the answer. And Miss Lavelle and I have been thinking up a way to surprise some of you for your hard work. We know that online is totally new and totally different. And we really appreciate those of you that are staying caught up on your work, those of you that are getting on every day and working, getting stuff done and turned in. So each week on Sunday night, we are going to look at the previous week's work, see if you have any missing assignments. And if you do not, you'll be put into a drawing to win a prize. It is money. I'm not going to tell you where it's to. I don't know if Miss Lavelle told you. If you watched her morning message, she may have told you. I don't know. But you will get a surprise in the mail. We're going to draw one person every week that has all of their homework done from the beginning up until now. So if you got it done, you will be in the drawing to win a gift card to somewhere special. So we did draw tonight. We're going to make you wait. So it could be you if you got all your homework done. Be watching the mail. It'll be coming your way. If you are not all caught up, please, please, please ask Miss Lavelle or I what you need to get done. We can help you out. We can schedule another time to meet with you to help you get things accomplished. We're your teachers. That's our job. Okay. So let us help you out. Double check all your work, see what you need to get done. Remember, we will send emails on Friday or Saturday with any work that's missing. So always check for those emails, and then that'll give you a couple days to get those few assignments done before we draw on Sunday. We'll wait till Sunday night before we draw our winner. So this week, it will be in the mail tomorrow. But be looking for something special. If you got all your homework done, if you did not get a late assignment email last week, or I guess if you got one and got your stuff done, then you were in the drawing. So be looking for that. But remember, get your stuff done on time. We're loving doing school with you, even though it's different than normal. You guys have done an awesome job. Thank you for being so awesome. Let us know how we can help you, and I will see you in Hangouts today.